Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to OmeTV without using Facebook. Instead, we're going to be using the online platform called VK. Alright, if you're tired of using Facebook, or maybe you're hiding something from someone so that they won't know that you're into OmeTV, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First thing that you need to do here is to open up OmeTV and hit on enter. This works on any devices. Alright. So go ahead and go to OmeTV, and once you're in here, just go ahead and click or tap on continue with VK. Alright, another window will pop up. Just wait for it to finish. Then go ahead and click on create account. Once you're in here, just go ahead and click or tap on the flag icon to select your country. Alright, for example, here you are from Canada, it could be, and go ahead and type in your number right here. Hit continue and follow the simple prompts on how to create your VK account. If you don't know what VK is, it is a Russian online social media and social networking service based in St. Petersburg. Alright, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts. Once you have your account, log in and go back to OmeTV again, or it will just automatically redirect you back to OmeTV, and from there you can now start chatting without using your Facebook account. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.